नमस्ते, मैं हूँ उर्वशी अग्रवाल और आज हम बात करेंगे वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमन प्रॉब्लम दैट यंग मेन एंड women आर फेसिंग these days. That is low libido. In integrative nutrition, we just don't talk about nutrition, diet, sleep, or stress. We also talk about the sex life, the natural hormonal cycle of the person. You know, sex is a very natural thing and there is nothing negative about it. So, if we have any problems like low libido, we need to speak about it. In a low libido situation, the men and the women do not have a drive to perform sex. इसका मतलब उनकी इच्छा नहीं होती to do sex with their partner, and there can be many reasons which we will talk in this video. Low libido is not a disease or a condition. Once you find out the root cause, you will understand that the solution is also with you. In India, we have a habit of blaming it on our age. अब हमारी उम्र हो गई है, we don't need it, we don't feel the urge about it. This is the preconceived notion that we are taught. But a survey says that people in their 70s and 80s who have good libido are sexually active once in a week. But I come across couples who are in their 20s, who are in their 30s, have such low libido that they are not even sexually active once in a month. So we need to find out the root cause. One of the most common thing that we notice in men and women with low libido is lack of sleep. These people have really erratic sleeping timings, and it is really common sense. When you sleep late, when you are sleep deprived, when you wake up the next morning, your hormones are all over the place. Hormonal imbalance is one of the main reason of low libido. When you sleep, your body goes under repair, your body recharges, and when you're deprived of sleep, you have low libido. Lack of sleep also leads to anxiety. Sleep and anxiety are connected to each other. आप नोटिस करेंगे दैट अगर आप 2-3 रात सोए नहीं हैं देन योर बॉडी इज रियली एंशियस. लॉट ऑफ कॉर्टिसोल दैट इज स्ट्रेस हार्मोन इज प्रोड्यूस्ड इन योर बॉडी. If you are stressed, if you have anxiety, if you are anxious, your libido goes low. You will have no drive to perform sex. So you need to find out the root cause of your anxiety and work on it. In sex, there is a great saying, what you don't use, you lose. Same ways, if you don't use a particular muscle, you lose it. Along with the anxiety, with the sleep deprivation, also sedentary lifestyle plays a major role in low libido. If you have a sitting job the entire day, if you are lying on the bed the entire day, you have very less blood circulation. Less blood circulation is directly related to low libido. So having movement, a jog, run or any kind of workout is very important for a great libido. No amount of Viagra or any pills will help you if you have a sedentary lifestyle. So bring that movement in your life. The fourth reason of low libido is having a low self-worth, which is in both men and women. When men and women have low self-worth, they keep on comparing their sex life with other people, with people who keep on bragging about their sex life, the friends who keep on talking about their sex life, people who watch a lot of porn and compare their sex life with those artists who are performing it on television, who are, mimicking it. It is not real. Such people have really low libido. Your libido is directly connected to your mind, to your thoughts. If you always have comparison, low self-esteem in your mind, you will never have that urge. Please understand, it is not a crime to talk about sex. It is okay to talk to your partner. It is okay to be vocal about your needs, about your urges, about your satisfaction level. That will improve your sex life. Understand the power of touch. Invest time in foreplay, in kissing each other, hugging each other, cuddling each other. See that the rush of oxytocin happening in your body and how your libido rises. People who just think that, jumping on each other is sex have low libido. Food plays a major role in your libido. If you eat clean, if you have, a balanced meal, you will have a good blood flow, and which is very important for your libido. On the other hand, if you put crap, if you eat junk, if you have a lot of refined sugar and refined grains, you will have a low libido. So eating healthy is very important. With the passing time, when partners start taking each other for granted, They don't have time for each other. There is lack of communication. They don't feel attracted to each other anymore. Then they face a problem of low libido. To have a good sex life, you need to have a very healthy relationship. And for this, if you need to take sex therapies, you need to go to a sex counselor, there is no harm. It is not a crime. It is very important that both the partners make effort to have a great libido. Remember, low libido is just a state of mind. With a healthy lifestyle, you can bring change in it. Some food items that you can include in your meal plan to have a great libido are avocados, watermelons, banana, fig, nutmeg, methi dana seeds, ashwagandha. I have also mentioned a lot of herbs which are aphrodisiacs on my page today. So go through that post, and if it helps you, please include them. Namaste.